Yes,
You know
elaborate.
the YES prank?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. You were filming me.
I can't remember what it is.
Okay.
Is that the one? Shut up! Let me do this! Let me do this! What's YES?
Yes.
Yes! But then what's YES?
Go away.
Come on! Just tell me what it is. What's EYES?
It's vanilla here.
Write it out. Write it out. What's EYES? What's EYES? Come on.
We're moving along here.
Oh my god. I think we need to pull the prank on her instead.
Okay.
Is that the one where... Okay, I'll see if I remember this.
What does YES spell?
I know that it's not meant to be yes.
No.
No.
It is.
It is. Yeah.
It's just
She hasn't got to the second part
Okay,
yet.
okay, yes.
normally.
Okay, I struggle with normal shit. Okay, yes.
Okay. What's EYES then?
EY eyes.
Yeah.
Because I'm too fucking smart and I've done this before. Where are you going? We're up high and this is so that the crocodiles down beneath us at night time can't bite us. Ooh. Well, I'm not sure. It could be because of the wet season we don't flood. What way are we going? Oh wait, is that why you came back? I thought we must have had to turn around. What the heck?
Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Okay.
That is scary as fuck. No, I'm not kidding. That just goes on forever.
Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh, bye bye.
Sees me by going sideways. That noise.
Oh, yeah, that's her voice. Oh, holy shit, look at that.
That's where it
Oh my god.
It's so good. It's like squirts out of it. I want to have those.
Imagine if a clock came for you now and you just couldn't run.
Yeah, we did not.
No.
Oh my god, it's not getting any better so far. You having fun?
I am.
Oh yeah, onto the side. Yes. What we got to do? Oh yeah.
So, and I want to get a snake there. Good spot. Yay! Here we go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Donald and Judy. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Do a fucking tuck, you'll be right.
Yeah, I do actually.
Vagina.
Flaming angina.
Camel toe.
Oh, wait,
Urinary
what?
infection.
Oh, you've actually done that.
Urinary tract infection.
Period.
Oh, your pen.
see that.
Okay, dick. Lovely dick. Nice and detailed. Dick eye.
Yeah. Oh,
Penis eye. The eye of a penis.
Ah, he actually said it.
What did he say?
He said it.
so close.
You are copying. This is unfair.
Oh, this is
look
the
at
game. This is the game.
But this is why we should be on the same team because this is feeding off me. We can sync.
Well, this is why you guys can't be in the same team because you guys then will just.
Because you say like
Yeah, exactly.
And then he guesses
You
it.
say 3/4 of the answer and then he's like, yeah.
I'm at represent.
Oh, hello.
Hello, good morning.
Coffee is served without a saucer. Do you want a saucer?
Is it really hot?
I imagine so. I accidentally put a whole milk in mine. And mine's cold. So yours had like a third of the milk. So I imagine it's boiling.
Thanks, doll.
What?
I said it one. No, you got one. No, you're gonna have one. It's not. There's no really one.
Package.
Oh, I'm such a goofball. I was going to stop before, but I didn't want you guys to be like, and run up my bum. Oh,
Chicken, shredded chicken. Salami, and chicken.
And a roll? Oh, you're a mozzarella girl.
Is this yours?
we already have a piss. I'll drink that one. Thank you. Yeah. I love the smell of fresh bread.
They're so fresh.
I am like,
I don't know her. I don't know her. I don't know her.
you don't know this amazing specimen.
In you get. In you get. I need to do a little wee. Oh, there it is.
I'm really holding on by my big toe.
Yeah. No one else came. I didn't kick her. Oh my god.
In the belly, sorry. Did I kick